Hello guys, today I've got the Marshall Bromley 450 speaker and I'm going to show you how to pair it with your Windows PC. I can't actually show the speaker to you because it's too big to fit it in here, but I can actually describe everything. At first, you need to do the right click on your Windows logo at the bottom of your screen. Here, head to the settings. Now go to the Bluetooth and devices, and here go to the devices section. Here click add device and select here Bluetooth. Now power it on using this power switch, this red big button, and once it's red you need to click the source button, which is next to the power button, this first thing with this Bluetooth, RCA, aux and USB Type-C LED lights. Navigate using the source button to the Bluetooth. When it's navigated, which is of course this first one, this B, like little B with these lines, you need to hold the source button. As you could hear, here we've got now our voice prompt, and here we need to now click speakers over here. It should be named as the Marshall Bromley 450, but it is now. Goodbye.